Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about safe havens. Now, some of you are probably going to go, safe haven? What do you mean safe haven? Well, it's one of the things that a lot of governmental agencies have their employees set up. So a safe haven is a place when your area of residence is under a natural disaster, hurricane, flooding, whatever it is, and it's no longer safe for you to be there temporarily. Now we're not talking SHTF, we're not talking Twaki, we're not talking any of that stuff. We're just talking a seasonal event, such as winter storm comes in, or they got in California with the wildfires, and you got to relocate from your area because they're evacuating everybody for a specific short-term event. Whatever it is, but you are still able to possibly do telecommuting, or just so they know where you're at. So basically a safe haven is like, hey, all right, I'm going to head out and go over here to Uncle Joe here 4 counties away, or I'm going to head down to Aunt Betty down in Florida because there's a huge storm hitting the DC area or hitting Chicago area, and it's going to be socked in for a couple weeks. So I'm going to head down where I'm in a safe location for whatever's going on. Or just the opposite. Aunt Betty down there in Florida needs to evacuate up to where you're at because they're getting hit by a super hurricane down there. So that's all it is. It is not it's a bug out, I gotta leave, I'm never coming home again. No, it's not that. It is just a safe haven, a refuge you can go to for temporarily, and where you can receive messages, information from your place of employment. All right. So look around, check with relatives out of state, other part of the state, wherever, that you can work a give and take situation where it's, hey, we can be each other's safe havens if something goes wrong in each other's area. All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: food, water, medicine, clothing, and other items. And of course, add to your skills. Why? Well, this is why.